Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Session for learning alphabets, and in today's session we'll study connected forms of Daal and Re series. As in the previous session I was asking from you whether the Daal and Re series alphabets are connectors or non-connectors. So the answer is that the letters of both Daal and Re series are non-connectors. Okay, and you can see um after a few seconds their table in which you will see their independent and final forms. So they have only independent and final forms. Let me show you their formations. Okay, so here is the table and you can see their forms on the right, and these are their independent forms of these alphabets like Dal, Dal, Zal, Re, Are, Ze, and Ye. These are their independent forms, and they have only final forms like you can see here. uh, these are without connected format, and in parentheses you can see they are in connected form. They don't have any meaning, but you can see their formations. Okay, and try to write these formations on your notepad in your free time. Okay, it will boost your writing, okay, for these alphabets. Okay, now we study some more things here. So here you can see again those words which we studied in our previous session. So on a separate sheet of paper write each of these words which are from the previous sessions, which are from the previous session exactly. Okay, and now they are without diacritical marks. Okay, so pronounce each one aloud as you write it. Okay, I pronounce all these for you again. The first one is Dana, then it's Zat, Ran, Baz, Zan, Char, Jada, Jada, Badan, Par, Band, Bada, Din. Okay, and try to write them at least 5 times, each word 5 times. Okay, then compare your writing with these words. Okay, so that's it for today's session, and in the next session we'll study some more words related with these alphabets. Okay, till the next session, wish you all the best, take care of yourself, and Allah Hafiz.